let's go open my toys. So I buy this from Uncle. And let's go open it. First, we need to open it first. Parang hindi ka ma-open eh. Parang naglumi. Nakakainis. Aka na. Oh, the tape. That's why so hard to open. So, today, my sister wants to open it. Because I can open it. So, let's open it now. From origin. Let's go. Ooh. Look at this. So what we need to do to hear something else. We need to put the card. Hey, is it right here? Oh, there. No. Okay, let's put the card in there. Oh, this only. Okay, let's count it. 1. Oh. Oh, I thought it's stuck. Oh, ay bakas. They didn't know. Right, ito ko. No reason. How many times I say no reason? Okay, what's the again? Oh, okay. Let's put it up back. Okay, let's go. Put it the card in here. Okay, only 2 cars can fit into here. Okay, it's done. And we meet. Wait, anak ko rin. No, like not like that. Like this. Is it like this? Yeah. You can fit. I think it only fit 1 car. If it only fit 1 car. We only fit 1 car. We only fit 1 car. Sorry. Not like that, sister. Like this, bro. Like. Hindi talaga ganyan. Oh. Ganito yun. Hindi. Ganito. Oh. You're just lying. Ganyan talaga yan. Hindi talaga. Ganito talaga. Try. Hindi yan ganyan. Try ko lang. Try ko lang. Okay, it's done. So okay. Okay, the cards. Okay, the cards. Let's put it right here. Don't worry, guys. It's okay. Okay, it's done.
Shopping at Thrifty's, huh, Maya? I'm surprised you have money left over for donuts.
Yeah, it's done. Okay, guys, it's done. The empty spot is right here. So, what happened? Okay, next toy. I touch the back.
I try not to, but...
And this is super cool. I have it. It is a ship.
Don't be poor.
Yeah, you cannot see it.
Always going to encounter
Ito.
no matter if you're in 5th grade or 5th
Hawak ko nga.
But what other people say and do
Yung ano mo,
isn't your
search mo.
concern.
Asan yung
It's
ano
easy
mo?
for you to know.
Dito. Nabitso nga ako. Guys, I can't do this. And is this the ship look like? Bruh! The ship is look like this. It made it look like the ship look like this. Super cool, right? Okay, the next one. Wait lang ah! Namit nga ako ng videos. Di pa yan nagamit eh. Ha? Di pa yan na nagamit.
I promise.
Just a truck. So, that's only the toys. So, goodbye, truck. You're dead. Oops. Probably this can stand up. But it cannot undo it with water. It does sink. But with the water does pass in here. It does sink. So bye guys.